Okay, half for una. So today I want try something. I want explain maths for pidgin, see if una can understand. So I just want take some random question. So if they give you the integral of the x over x squared minus 9, say make you integrate them. Now wait you could do. Okay. So the first thing for do now say you give account for the integral. You identify the function where you want integrate am. So the function where me I want integrate am na the function 1 over x squared minus 9. So when you see the kind of thing, the first thing we give account for your mind na partial fraction, because if it been a plus 9 you fit use trigonometry substitution. But when you see minus 9, you see and say you fit write the x squared minus 9 as a difference of two squares, because the 9 so they like 3 squared. So if you want to write the x squared minus 9 as a difference of two squares, you could say x minus 3 times x plus 3. Then when you now see and say your denominator again na only linear factor them, you fit now express them in terms of partial fractions. So we go talk say the x minus 3 we go give a constant, maybe a, then the x plus 3 we go give another constant, maybe b, because they be linear factor them. So you could say the one be the same as a over x minus 3 plus b over x plus 3. Then we now find the value for a and b. Then we'll come back and integrate them normally. So how we can now find the value of a and b? So I'll first start my LCM na x minus 3 times x plus 3. Now the very thing, you just multiply the x minus 3 and the x plus 3. Then you do your normal thing, you give or take x minus 3 times x plus 3. You divide that by x minus 3. You could get x plus 3. Then you take a times that x plus 3. Then again, you still take the very x minus 3 times x plus 3. You divide them by x plus 3. You could get x minus 3. So you could get b into x minus 3. Now you know say na the one so be equivalent to that one. So the one so be equivalent to that one. Then you see and say they get the same denominator now. So you just equate the numerator. So if you equate the numerator, you could get it. You could get 1 be equivalent to 80 to the a into x plus 3 plus b into x minus 3. Then when you reach for the place now, plenty method the day way if you work am. But I'll just show you one method. I know how prolong the thing. I'll just show you one method. So the method they call and say cover up method. For the cover up method, you try for eliminate one constant, then you get the other constant. They can't eliminate the other constant, forget the first constant will be eliminator. So for eliminate maybe the constant a, I could just make a the x plus 3 be 0. And for the x plus 3 for b 0, x give for b negative 3. So I could set x to be negative 3. Now if I set x to be negative 3, you see and say the one for the left hand side, since you no get x, you just remain as 1, it no depend on x. Now for the right hand side, this term could give you 0. Negative 3 minus 3 na negative 6, then times b na negative 6b. From here now, so we could divide all through by negative 6, so that we could get b to be negative 1 all over 6. Now we're gonna have to eliminate this b for here. Okay, and for eliminate this b for here, I'll just make a the x minus 3 be 0. And for the x minus 3 for b 0, x gave for b equal to 3. So I could now set x to be negative 3. Now when I set x to be negative 3, my left hand side, since you no get x, it will just stay as 1. Now constant. Now what I would call and say constant. Now for my right hand side, I will get 3 plus 3 na 6 times a na 6a. Then the one just go for 0. Okay, so now so we'll divide all through by 6, and then a could give you 1 divided by 6. Voila. Now so you see and say the our f of x now could be na a na 1 over 6. Okay, we'll divide them by x minus 3. Then b na negative 1 over 6. Then we'll divide them by x plus 3. Now if you factorize the 1 over 6, then we could get 1 over x minus 3 minus 1 over then a minus 1 over x plus 3. Now if you easily integrate the 1 now, so because although we get a partial fraction for the 1, you see I know. So we'll now talk say the integral of f of x with respect to x be the same as the integral of all the things, so we don't get them because the one are the equivalence of f of x. Now the 1 over 6 na constant, so we fit put am out of the integral, okay, because na constant, e no depend on x. Now the integral sign be distributive, which means say we will put the 1/6 for outside. Oh, abeg, sorry. We will put the 1/6 for outside, 1/6 for outside. Then we go integrate each of the fraction them. So we go integrate 1/x minus 3 with respect to x. Then the sign a minus 1/6 again for outside. Then we go integrate again 1/x plus 3 with respect to x. Now standardly, no. So standardly, if we integrate, so major recall na something. If we integrate 1/ax plus b, okay, with respect to x, the answer na 1 over the derivative of the ax plus b when na a, then times the ln of the absolute value of the ax plus b. So na in that. So if a na 1, that is the coefficient of x na 1. It means if we integrate x plus b, we'll just get the ln of x plus b. And the same thing if we integrate x minus b, if we integrate 1/x minus b, we will still get the ln of x minus b. So now the same thing we will do over here. So the one will give you, we'll get 1/6 the ln of the absolute value of x minus 3, then minus 1/6 the ln of the absolute value of x plus 3. So we'll now use indices. 1/6 be common. Now we will get the ln of the absolute value of weighting. Since the indices, we will take x minus 3 and we will divide them by x plus 3. Voila, then we now add our constant of integration, because now indefinite integral will not get limits. So now in that, if you understand, tell me for comment section.